So here we are at cabin 7320. We're going to give you a tour of that cabin, which is located on the starboard side aft. And here we go. Alrighty. First of all, as you can see, we are right by the aft elevators. Remember, on Royal, you only have really 2 sets of elevators. And we are basically right on the little outward area of the ship. There's your regular light switch, peephole, a couple of hooks. We have a double closet, and this is the only closet in here. Pretty big, and then that naturally you can put your suitcases on that, and then you have shelves inside the closet. Old type thermostat, which we're going to turn down to a little colder. Regular standard bathroom. Naturally full-length mirrors on this side. Sofa. You have 3 drawers there. Your top one probably has your hairdryer. Old area, old type knobs in here that you can turn off the announcements in your room if you want. No USB ports at all. And then you have your light switch that lights up these. You have little cabinets here. 2 little glass ones. They're both the same, as you can see. And then you have more drawers over here. And then you have your little mini fridge underneath. A very small TV. Here. And you have your safe that don't work. Can't get it to lock. Then you have a king-size bed, naturally 2 doubles made into a king. Now on this particular ship, yes, we found one. Always check the side for your USB port that you can plug your devices into. Then you have your lamps, naturally. And I don't see, other than that one, there's not, usually your switches usually be in the middle of the bed. That shuts off the lights. Then you have your switch that turns on your lights out on your balcony. And then when you come out here, there's your balcony. And there's my love. And that's pretty much it. Overall view. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you know when I put up the rest of the ship. Won't be doing a tour. We've already done that one. I'll put the link in the description below.